the items in my outfit, but let's get to it because it's Friday. We love Friday. And we're gonna start with Quacker Factory. This is the Quacker Factory Love is in the Air Waffle 3/4 sleeve top. And what's fun about this top, in time for Valentine's Day. Am I moving way over here? This is where I'm going. Ooh, Jaden, can we move this a little bit just so I can? So just in time for Valentine's Day, but I'll tell you what, it's fun to wear heart any day. Yeah, it's the international symbol of love. It's the universal symbol of love. And so when you wear a heart, there's just something happy and cheerful and inviting and welcoming about it. But when you're wearing a heart design from Quacker Factory, even better. So this Love is in the Air Waffle 3/4 sleeve top, it's customer top rated. We have it for you in 2 colors. We have vibrant pink, which is a beautiful sort of raspberry fuchsia, and that's embroidery. So the hearts that you see are not only embroidered, but then they're embellished with more fun bling and rhinestones. So that's your vibrant pink. And then we have it for you in the color Bluebird. Oh, that's a really pretty kind of bright, almost turquoise blue. And you can really see the embroidery there, which is the star of the show here, that gorgeous color. Now, the waffle texture is going to feel good. It's done in 60% cotton, 40% poly. And what you have is something that's cheerful and happy and bright and fun and colorful. And so if you were thinking, I'm thinking about what I want to wear for Valentine's Day, or, I'm thinking about what I want to wear just any day when I want to have a little bright color and a little fun embellishment, this is terrific. By the way, I should mention, I'm going to do just this, because speaking of heart being that universal symbol of love, this is coming up. This is a big deal from Jay. So again, heart-themed things that we wear say a lot about us. They tell people that you've got a big heart, that you've got a warm heart, an open heart. And so that's part of the fun of wearing Quacker Factory. Quacker Factory really tells the world a lot about you. And you know, it's funny because if you're sort of in the know with Quacker Factory, there's nothing more fun than when people who recognize Quacker Factory fashions and they quack at each other, and that happens, and maybe that's happened to you, or maybe you've done that. But it's just, there's a reason for it. It's because these are clothes that make you feel cheery and cheerful. And so, you know, you see somebody wearing a heart, you see somebody with a little bling, and you see something that's colorful, it draws you to that person. So as you see it on Jen, she's wearing it in the color vibrant pink, which again is sort of a raspberry fuchsia. That's already the most popular, the vibrant pink. And Jen is 5'8", 5'8.5", and she models it for you in the size small. So you can see it's got a nice elbow length, or actually 3/4 length sleeve. It's got a slit at the side. I would describe this as a semi-fit, meaning it follows the lines of the body. And then it's going to come down just to, you know, the top of the thigh, a little below the hip bone in terms of its length. You'll notice too that it's got a kind of a modified bateau neck, meaning it extends kind of from the collarbone across. But the scale of the heart, that embroidered heart, is really very nice. And I love that it's the double hearts there. And so the rainbow of color, you've got pink and blue and yellow and orange. And the rhinestones are also kind of rainbow in their color. So Valentine's Day is fun. And maybe, you know, maybe you and your sweetheart are going out for a special evening, or maybe it's you treat yourself. Maybe you do fun Galentine's get-togethers with your besties, and you're thinking, ooh, this will be the perfect thing to wear. It's customer top rated. People who have the Love is in the Air Waffle 3/4 sleeve top love it so much, they went to QVC.com to tell people how good it is. So you can read what they had to say. $47.98. This is the vibrant pink, which has been the most popular. And then we also have it for you in the color Bluebird, if you'd like it. $15.99 easy pay. And that is a 632458.